Alright guys, welcome back. Update today. We are ready to bottle the Harvest Pale Ale. And come over here. First mate has got the brew out of the closet. That's what it's looking like. That's the color. Yeah. Alright. Let me see if we can focus in. We're looking at, let's see, 1010. So, yeah, so I think let me get this thing. Yeah, I think the original gravity was 1051 to 1010, so we're looking at about 5.5%. Not bad for summer brew. And I think last time I brewed it 2 years ago, it was about 5.7, a little bit higher. But then I was using my old hydrometer, so I don't know. So we got a lot of bottles to clean, and so I'm gonna get to it. So just a real quick one today, guys. Like I said, that's the color what it's gonna be looking like. All right, until we do it again, my friends, remember, let's set sail.